Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tilda, and today I'm back again with another video. Today's video is basically about how to make a closure fringe wig. Yes, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe for content like this. If you are a beginner wig maker who don't know what this is about, please, if you don't know how to construct a closure wig, I will entreat that you watch a video on how to construct a closure wig. After that, this video will make more sense. Yes, so in order to go about this, you have to first of all construct your closure wig, then continue from there. So this is where we begin. I've already constructed my closure wig. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure that your wig is straightened out, especially the closure portion. So in order to do this, you have to apply heat protectant to reduce or minimize damage caused by the heat. Then the next thing is to section out the wig or the closure portion where you'll be working around. Divide it into small sections using a clips or your hair ties. I've been doing this for a while now, so I know how to go about it. But if you're new and you feel it will disturb you, you have to make use of your hair clips or your pins, and then use any flat iron or heat straightening straightener that you have. I'm making use of hot comb. So use that. Once you have your heat protectant on, you're good to go. Straighten out that portion. Make sure it's laid down flat to enable you section out the portions that you'll be using for the fringe. So the next thing you have to do is to know the length of your fringe that you'll be working with. Yes, know the length that you'll be working with. If you want your frame to be long, short, midi, that's up to you to decide. And then section off the fringe by creating a curve section at the front of the closure wig where the fringe will be located. Use your hot comb to lay down the portion you sectioned out for the fringe, just to make that place stand out for easy cutting. Yes. So after doing this, twist that portion where you're going to cut. This is to make sure that after cutting the fringe, you don't achieve a very sharp, unrealistic looking fringe. You want it to look more natural. Cut the fringe with sharp scissors. Carefully cut the hair in the designated fringe section to the desired length. It's better to cut a bit longer initially, as you can always trim more if needed. After doing this, style the fringe. If you prefer a specific fringe shape that's straight, side swept, or choppy, carefully cut and style the fringe accordingly. So I want mine to be a bit curvy, so I didn't leave it straight. I used my straightener to create that style that I wanted. And I'm sure most of you want that. You don't want your fringe to be looking straight and choppy and side swept. Yes, so you follow everything I'm doing in this video. Now the last thing you have to take note is to blend the fringe. Make sure the fringe look more natural. Blend it with the rest of the wig hair. Use a comb or your fingers to blend the fringe hair with the surrounding hair, just to make it look more natural. You don't have to leave the fringe portion in front of the wig and make it so obvious that you cut it from the closure. Yes, so make it look more natural. Check and adjust the fringe. Put on the wig and check how the fringe looks. Make any necessary adjustment to ensure it fits your desired style and length. If it's not what you want, you can do something about it. Yes, you can restyle it, you can cut it. Yes, you can really adjust it to the desired style that you want. Make sure you secure the fringe as well. Once you are satisfied with the fringe, use wig glue or tape to secure the closure wig in place on your head. If the cap you use for the wig is also okay for your head, if the measurement is your head fit, you don't have to use any glue or tape to secure the closure wig. You are good to go. That's all. Remember to be patient and take your time while cutting the fringe, as it's essential to achieve a neat and natural look. If you're unsure about cutting the wig yourself, consider consulting a professional hairstylist for assistance. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, engage this video, and let other people have access to it also. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Bye.